U.S. Supreme Court is casting doubt on President Donald Trump's bid to restrict birthright citizenship.
President wants to restrict it from children born to parents who are in the U.S. illegally or temporarily. President Trump appeared in the courtroom today for the consequential case, staying only for his lawyer's side of arguments. President signed the executive order to reimagine birthright citizenship last year on the first day of his second term. Now, the 14th Amendment states, quote, persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside, end quote. The Trump administration argues the jurisdiction part empowers the president's executive order. Critics argue changing birthright citizenship would be logistically challenging. They say U.S. citizens might end up having to document their children's immigration status. The Trump administration's lawyer, Solicitor General D. John Sayer, faced skepticism from liberal and conservative justices. Here's some of the questions Justices Neil Gorsuch and Amy Coney Barrett raised today.
Do you think Native Americans today are birthright citizens under your test and under your friend's test?
I think so. I mean, obviously, they've been granted citizenship by statute.
I can imagine it being messy in some applications. What if you don't know who the parents are?
I think there are marginal cases. That one, I think, has the benefit of being addressed in 1401F, where it talks about...
Yeah. But what about the Constitution?
The president took to social media to criticize birthright citizenship shortly after leaving the U.S. Supreme Court, using a false claim he has made before. In a Truth Social post, the president wrote in part, quote, "We are the only country in the world stupid enough to allow birthright citizenship," end quote. Again, that is inaccurate. About 36 countries actually have unrestricted birthright citizenship, including our neighbors in Canada and Mexico.